Okay. All right, time to send it, baby. All right, we can actually, I think we can just get over here. Oh, I hear them pops, baby. Skirt. God, I feel, is the road just bouncy for you too? Okay. Yeah, I need to put more. Oh my. Yeah, that thing sounded mean. Looks clear to me, baby. Oh, rock just flipped up. What the hell? All right, let's see. Try not to get off your bike. No, we got to go straight. Try not to get off your bike, dude. No, we got this, dude. Ooh, are they going? I can't do it either. Okay. Yeah, I know. All right, this guy's taking a right. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You don't need to swing out left so fucking hard. There we go. Okay. You're good to go right after this group of cars. Send it, bro. Send it, send it, send it, send it. There we go. That guy's turning left. Go for it. Okay. Your blinker! Your blinker! Yeah. Yeah, for real. About to say, we could just fucking right where that bike is where we need to go. So, goddamn, my gooch, bro. Look, how does my front tire look when I do this? Okay. Yeah. Well, that's why I said what I said, because when I was doing this, and it felt like my tire was getting like real squishy, but it might have just been the road. No, I don't think we can turn in. Oh wait, we can turn in. All right, right here, bro. All right, be careful. Oh God. It's okay. It's not too bad. Right? Really? Okay, lots of bumps. Be careful. Yeah. Oh, of course. Fucking hell, man. No, it's way up. It's way up. Well, I mean, we could just shoot right up over here. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, yeah.
I found out that I was tightening my gloves too tight on like the top strip thing, and it was like literally fucking making my hands go numb.
Really? Yeah, that's not good.
Because I never had that problem, and I had the same pair of gloves before. I don't know when I started to do.
Yeah.
The stitching like isn't the same for every pair, so like one stitch could fuck it up.
Yeah. All right, you go ahead and go first. Gotta make sure I fucking close my pockets. Yeah, I'm good. Get home, my phone's gone. Like, no! My front tire just feels off a bit, so I'm kind of like going a little slow. Alright. Yeah. Skirt, your time's come. All right, now we're good. Oh. I know. No, there's a car. We can hit this. Yeah. All right, slut. Next time we go up, let's try to plan on bringing some cars. Get the full guns out. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, hell yeah. Or fucking Counter-Strike. You got it. Yeah. Get on, dude. I just been playing comp, just fucking around on comp. It's fun. Oh yeah. All right. See you later, cutie.